everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful cooking videos. And the question today is, what do you do when you have very sour fresh fruit and very hard, old, dry fruit? It is as hard as a rock. You can throw it at somebody and the person will get hurt. Well, when you have this situation, all you need to do is to mix and match, mash and crash technique. Basically, it means you turn that into a flavorful, sweet and sour chutney. And if needed, we can add a little bit of chia seeds in it. How you are going to do it? Very simple. Take your fresh fruit, no need to cut it, no need to chop it. Mix it in with dry fruit. Usually I take, if I have like 2 cups of fruit, I take maybe half a cup of old dry fruits of any kind. Today I have some, as you can see, old figs, but I have used old dates and raisins and apricots, prunes, anything which has stayed in my pantry and have gone unnoticed for a long time and it's now very hard. I throw it into this type of chutney. So once you mix in there, all you have to do is to add half a cup to a cup of water, depending on how much fruit you have and how much dry fruit you have, and pressure cook it or put it in the instant pot for at least 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes, not 15. By the way, you can freeze this in small ice cube trays in the freezer for months and just use it as needed. It freezes really well and comes in extremely handy, and you just need like 1 tablespoon of it for a recipe. And I'm going to show you how it looks. So once it's cooked, it's going to be very soft, not hard at all, and the fresh fruit is also cooked. So all you then have to do is to mash it up and either use the hand blender or your regular blender and turn it into a puree. And if your dry fruits are very old, you may need to put it in there for 15 minutes. But I put it in for 10 minutes and everything is pretty soft. Okay, so I'm just going to allow it to cool down a bit and run it through the blender. Make sure you are removing the pits or seeds. So we did the mix and match part, and now this is mash and crash. Now once all the mix and matching and mashing and crashing is done, the chutney is ready. It is very similar to a thick, nice chutney, baby food pudding, baby food texture, and it has a perfect blend of sweetness and sourness because of the sour fresh fruit and super sweet dry fruit. Now you can definitely change the fresh fruit which is sour at your hand. I have done it with raw mango, apple, what else? Even ripe mango which was sour, and definitely pears and plums, etc. And the dry fruit that I have used are any kind of dry fruit, prunes or figs, raisins, and or tamarind. I mean, tamarind is a perfect sour fruit which is dry and can be blended in with some dates or any dry fruit. So once this base chutney is done, which is sweet and sour in taste, you can elevate the flavor by adding spices. You can add cumin, you can add cayenne, black pepper, a little bit of turmeric, and maybe garam masala, and there you have it. Then you have sweet, sour and spicy chutney that you can use on oatmeal, drizzle it on sweet potato. You can use it or spread it on peanut butter sandwich. Gosh, what else? As a dressing on your chia pudding. I mean, come on, anywhere you can desire a sweet sour flavor to your dish. So feel free to experiment. Please don't get stuck on recipes. It's all about learning the cooking techniques and blending the flavors. I hope you got to learn something new today, and thank you for watching. And please share these videos and send me the questions and the comments, and keep up the good work. And I will see you next time. Namaste.